Today I'm going to show you some lemon life hacks using this really cool product. It's a citrus juice sprayer that screws straight into the fruit. To use it, just take a lemon, push it down onto the surface a little to help juice up the inside, then use a sharp knife to carefully chop off the top, like this. Remove the sprayer from the packaging, and you can see it's got a nice coarse thread and little slits which allow the fruit juice into the middle where the pipe for the pump is. I recommend giving it a good wash under the tap. Then it's ready to screw straight into the top of the lemon. Line it up in the centre, then gently push down and screw it all the way into the fruit. After a couple of pumps, you should get a nice mist of lemon juice spraying out. Pretty cool, huh? It's